Hey guys, welcome back to Home Bar Network. It's Cody and Haley.
And our Cratejoy delivery is here. Yay.
Looks like they sent us something from SaloonBox.
Ooh, and we have 2 boxes this time.
Cocktails.
Ooh, it's a bottle.
Dear SaloonBox mixologist.
Oh, I
know what this is.
With this one.
Santa Teresa. This is amazing Venezuelan rum. This is a Solera rum. And Solera aging is a process where you take a little bit of each barrel from each year and combine it with another barrel for another year, so you end up with a really consistent flavor across all your years. And yeah, this is
a little piece of history in every bottle.
Yeah.
So yeah, we love rum. If you watch our channel, you know we love rum. Let's see what else we got.
Let's see so here we go.
Ooh, nice box. So first off, we see some recipes. Looks like we have 2 iterations of a rum old fashioned. We're always down for that.
Yeah, a West Indian old fashioned and a Cantinero old fashioned.
Demerara syrup.
Can't have too much Demerara syrup.
Let's see what we have in here.
Little, looks like orange oil.
We have some chai tea, moderate caffeine.
Moderate caffeine chai tea.
That sounds about what I need right now. We have
a spice of some type. Oh look.
Okay, that's curry, some sort of curry spice.
More chai teas.
2 dehydrated orange peels.
Some little stirrers labeled SaloonBox.
Cool. We have the bitter cube bitters. Okay, chipotle cacao.
Oh, I have to smell this right now.
And we have Santa Teresa Cantinero coffee bitters.
Oh my God, this is great. Truly what it says, chipotle cacao.
Yep, wow.
Sometimes you taste bitters and you're like, that's not really what I get. That's chipotle cacao. You gotta be careful. There's gonna be little hidden things amongst all the stuffing. So make sure you get everything out of there when you get your kit. Cool.
Delish.
All right.
Ooh, we could also use this on an espresso martini.
Oh, look. Extra large ice cube tray from Peak. This will look great for an old fashioned.
And another Demerara syrup.
Because they gave us so much bitters and they gave us so much tea. We've got now an entire bottle of rum.
We literally have enough to make at least 12 old fashions.
Yeah, gotta be. Well, I'm thirsty.
Let's make a cocktail. All right, we got our tools set up. We have chosen, there were 2 recipes in the box, but after reviewing, we want to go with this West Indian old fashioned from Glendon Hartley. This looks phenomenal because it's a new technique we haven't tried yet.
Yeah, there's actually something on here we've never done.
So we are gonna be incorporating a little bit of curry powder into this rum old fashioned. We're gonna sprinkle it onto a chai tea bag and strain the old fashioned over that chai
onto
tea
the
bag,
ice.
Curry chai tea bag. And that's gonna infuse a little bit, we'll see what that tastes like. It sounds great. West Indian old fashioned. We have 2.5 ounces of Santa Teresa.
Big boy cocktail. Here
now he's speaking my language.
All right, 2.5.
I like it already.
Great.
We're gonna do 3 dashes of chipotle cacao bitters.
Do a couple more in there.
Do a little bit more, because it's a brand new bottle. You don't get quite as big of a dash.
Yeah, you don't get an accurate dash from a brand new bottle of bitters.
1/2 ounce Demerara Simple.
Okay. Demerara Simple syrup, guys, a little bit different than normal simple because you're using Demerara sugar as opposed to white table sugar that's been refined. So this would be nice. Demerara comes from South America, just like Santa Teresa rum.
Then we're gonna stir and chill it.
We're gonna stir it like a normal old fashioned.
Add some ice.
All right, give it a good stir.
So now, for the finishing touch, we have a chai tea bag, and we have been advised to do 1/8 of a teaspoon of turban curry powder.
That sounds really cool.
Over top of the tea bag. So just 1/8 of a teaspoon is very small. So I'm gonna just eyeball a touch.
Using our little demi-tasse spoon.
Yes.
One of my favorite types of spoons. There we
go. I placed it right on top of my tea bag.
Typically, the tea extraction would come from heat with hot water, but I think the alcohol may kind of do the same thing.
Yeah, we shall see what we get.
Ooh. I can see a little bit of the curry powder getting mixed in. This is a really cool technique, you guys. If this
is, I wonder.
This turns out, I might have to copycat this.
I wonder how much chai flavor we're gonna get. And now we're gonna garnish with this dehydrated orange wheel.
Pop it right in. It's a good looking old fashioned.
It is. It's quite lovely.
It's got the stamp, Home Bar Network stamp of approval. If you
well,
ask me.
We gotta wait till we taste it first.
Well, from the visual department.
The visual is great.
The visual department gave it
10 out of
10. Stamp.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yum.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty good. Hey now, you're gonna try to steal it.
That is damn delicious. Glendon.
Bravo.
Bravo, sir. Really great cocktail. You get the chai, you get a hint of kind of that curry, like a little bit of heat almost. It's really balanced. For 2.5 ounces. I mean, it's boozy, but it's like also really balanced.
It's remarkably easy to drink. Some people might think, oh my gosh, curry powder is not gonna overpower this drink. It absolutely does not overpower it. Phenomenal. I think we will be trying this again.
Yeah.
Oh, my wheels are turning.
You could do cumin or you could do cayenne and pour it over different types of tea. Or Glendon, thank you for showing us that. I've never seen that technique. Very delicious. That's a slam dunk, old fashioned.
Cheers, y'all. Thanks for tuning in, and thank you, Cratejoy, for sending us a saloon box. Glendon Hartley, shout out to the mixologist who came up with this recipe. It's always fun to try other recipes from other mixologists.
Yeah, I love it.
You learn so much. It's great. This is delicious. I'd make it again.
Love it.
I'm probably gonna make another one tonight. Cheers, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Follow HomeBar.com for more and check out Cratejoy.
Yeah, sign up for Cratejoy because these boxes are awesome.
Let's make another.
Time to fill her up again.
Cheers, y'all.
Cheers.